So I've already gone ahead and animated this, and I want to show you how it works, and then I'll show you how I built it. So we've got the square and the circle. Back on frame 1, they start out in these positions and they travel to these positions. So basically they just crisscross each other. Okay, let me show you how I did that. I'm going to undo my past work and show you. Okay, so Mr. Square over here, remember this is kind of like a stage. This is your canvas or your stage, and these are your actors. So actor Square is on the stage at frame 1, but frame 2 is off, so we need to put him in. So what we do is we create a frame by hitting F5 at frame 10. So now, remember this is frames over time. So at frame 2, circle guy is not on the stage anymore, but square guy is, because we've just added that frame at frame 10. So he stays there throughout. So we want circle guy to be there at 10, so we go to frame 10 and click F5, and now they're both there for the entire duration of the first 10 frames when they disappear. So on frame 10 though, we want them to do something else. Keyframing is about saying, okay, on frame 1 do this, on frame 10 do this, and then the computer just interpolates the hard stuff in between. So on frame 10, what I want you to do is hit F6, which creates a keyframe for both of these. And then you can move your characters into their new positions, and then they go from frame 1 in these positions to frame 10 in these positions. Problem is the computer's not interpolating between them. What we want to see is the movement, not just the stuttery jump from one place to another. So what you do is you left click on your mouse and go down to create motion tween. Do that for both circle and square, and then you've created the motion in between.